Today we have a really nice Challenger Limited. This is the two-tone Spirit Blue black metallic with a real nice gunmetal stripe down the line. This is all put together front end by a dual disc front brakes with Brembos, braided lines, fully inverted suspension, powered by the 108 liquid cooled motor. This thing is actually pushing out 122 horsepower, 127 foot-pounds of torque. All chromed out, very beautiful styling, very beautiful color. This is a rarer bike to find, and it's currently here at Riverside County Indian Motorcycles. This is the Limited, so this is the top of the line premium model. Currently riding on 16 miles. Lean angle assist, sport mode, standard mode, tour mode. This could be yours. Give us a call at 951-460-4222. Let's get you riding today.